Day 11 is finished. They've started working on this soldier course around the outside. And this is these normal size bricks in a charcoal color. And it goes all the way around. It's gonna look absolutely amazing when it goes all the way around through here, and then comes through and then along this edge. There's going to be more bricks right here. I guess they ran out. And so they had to order a few more blocks to put right here. But you're starting to see the outline. I think the outline is a really cool touch. It's adding another day of work, because if they didn't have the outline, they probably would have been closer to being finished, but that's okay because it looks awesome. They're taking their time. Some of these cuts on here look absolutely just really nice. You can see they've come all the way around. You can see how nice they look. So I'm really excited with how it's coming out. Little cuts right here to get around the corners. And then they're gonna come through over on this side. You've got some little lines where they'll cut, you can kind of see with a little bit of a pencil line right here. So they'll cut these pieces and then have it go all the way around. There isn't any up here on the landing. That's fine. It might look kind of busy, might look kind of cool just to have a little black outline because there'll be the black handrails, but that's just more money. And so right here, like I said, they'll add a little bit more, but it looks absolutely amazing. We love how it's coming out. This wall came out, I mean, perfect. Had somebody over here and they're like, this is one of the nicest walls they've seen. So I don't think you can have a better compliment than that. We got the plants up here. They're all still alive after a week and a half, so that's good. We've been watering them. And this is where the hot tub's going to be. We actually marked it out for the Aspen Sundance. So if you put it right in the middle, it'll have a black outline on both sides, and that'll look really nice. This pieces right here are a pergola that are going to go over it. So as you can see, it's a really big hot tub right here. So we ended up buying the big one. I'm 6'4", 6'3". Basketball season, I'm 6'4", but I'm probably more like 6'2" or 6'3 and a half, 6'2 and a half, 6'3. Anyways, not important. But so we got a big one so that we can all fit and we don't have to touch each other, which is nice. So our whole family can fit in there. But yeah, we're getting towards the end. Probably one more week. I don't know. They're taking their time, and I think that's important. But everything has come out really nice. We love the color. The other day I was talking about these white spots that were appearing, but as you can see over time, they've all disappeared. And one of the reasons we chose these blocks is because it has a little bit of yellow or a little bit of orange in it already. As you can see, when there's a footstep, because of all the orange dirt we have around here, kind of blends in right here. So absolutely love the color, love the patio pavers. This is gonna be awesome. We're super excited. And then I have to come fix the house, but that's my job. They were gonna have to hire someone else, which would just upcharge it to me. So I was like, they said I was better off doing it myself or finding somebody, but it's only gonna be a few pieces. But there we go. We will be back tomorrow. And I bet by tomorrow we have quite a bit of this black outline in. We will see you then.